Are you looking for a lawnmower repair company, Kansas City? Lawnmower repair shops are a great place to keep your mower in top condition. We can help keep up with regular maintenance as well as major repairs or overhauls. We provide a number of services for lawnmower repairs like repair at location, pickup and delivery. In addition to providing repair services, we also offer manuals for a variety of mowers. By regularly cleaning the blades and the outside parts, you should succeed in making maximum use of the machine that you have. And in case it breaks down, we are here, Lawnmowers Repair Service in Kansas City, that will be glad to help you. Please contact at 816-999-1111 or visit www.lawnmower.com.